Please join me as I continue my walk from Eirth to the Dartford crossing. For the first part of the walk, I will have to go inland, as there is no crossing over the River Derwent. I aim to follow the shoreline till I reach Land's End, keeping a sketchbook along the way. So let's get started. So I'll be honest, my research on this route was just looking at the map. I saw a little river, but this was not what I was expecting. I was expecting a lovely river walk, but as soon as I tried to make my way to the river, the road I was on seemed to be a hot spot for fly tipping. There is a sign though, which makes it all better. I also got really lost around this area, trying to find the footpath to the river. Going down this path was actually the incorrect way. At the time of filming, there was protests going on concerning anti-immigration. I have no idea whether the flags are still there. I ended up doing a series of drawings around this area. This is my favourite. I'm going to name the drawings Flags, Palm Trees and Sports Cars. With the help of the internet and various apps, I refound the Thames path, much to my relief. If I thought this route was going to get more scenic, I was wrong. This river was accompanied by landfills and abandoned boats. But in the distance I can now see the Dartford Bridge. This walk isn't for everyone, but I guess that's what's interesting about this project. I will be walking places I normally wouldn't go. I've enjoyed this walk and met some really nice characters along the way, and a lot of friendly smiles. Please join me next episode, where I'll be walking from the Dartford crossing to Gravesend.